So this is a easier, quicker version for the do-it-yourself face mask, and like the other one, you will start with 2 squares of contrasting fabric, both 7 inches, and 2 pieces of elastic that are 7.5 inches. You would want the elastic to be a little longer for a larger mask, a little shorter for a smaller mask. You're going to take the 2 pieces of fabric and put them right sides together. You're going to start in the middle of one side and sew all the way around with a 1/4 inch seam. The hole will allow you to turn the square right side out and press. Place the square in front of you such that the hole is to the right side or the left side. Now you need to make the pleats. They're a little difficult, but not hard. So pinch, draw it up, and pin in place. This mask is only going to have 2 pleats, so when you pin the first, then you're going to create the second by placing your hands about a thumb's width away from the first pleat. Pinch, draw it up, and pin. The pleats should not overlap in the back, so you might want to check for that. At this point, you're going to pin the elastic in place because you're going to sew right over top of it, and just place it about a 1/4 inch away from the top and pin. And then again, without twisting the elastic, a 1/4 inch away from the bottom and pin. You're going to repeat with the other side. The pinning of the elastic is optional. If you'd like, at your machine, simply sew that down and catch it when it comes to that spot on the fabric. So as you use an 1/8 inch seam going down each side, that will complete your face mask. We have lots to do, so get to sewing.